Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the best induction ranges of 2026. Induction cooking is exploding in popularity because it heats faster, cooks more evenly, and is safer than traditional electric or gas. It uses magnetic energy to heat your cookware directly, giving you better control and higher efficiency. Plus, it won't activate without a pan. Prices have dropped too, making induction more accessible than ever. After deep research and hands-on testing, I've got the top models you should be looking at. So smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's dive in. Let's go. Starting with the best overall, the Samsung Bespoke NS-i6DB990012AA induction range. This eye-catching Samsung Bespoke induction range isn't just a pretty face, though it definitely is one of the best-looking induction ranges with its sleek design, ambient lighting, and a knob-free touchscreen control panel. This stove aced every test thrown at it, boiling water with impressive speed, especially the front right burner, which has the most wattage, maintaining steady oven temperatures and baking multi-rack batches evenly. Beyond basic functionality, this range also boasts a lot of upgraded smart features. The large 7-inch control panel is intuitive and shows recipes and even tells you about local weather. You can connect it to smart devices to answer phone calls and monitor your Ring doorbell. Plus, there's an internal oven camera that you can monitor via the SmartThings app or your Samsung TV or Family Hub refrigerator to check on food as it cooks or even record time-lapse videos of your creations. With all these impressive features, this range comes with a reasonable price tag, especially when compared to other smart induction ranges on the market. This is the induction range for most people. Stunning design meets exceptional performance. The Cafe CHS 900P 2MS15 burner slide-in induction range is the best tested. There's a lot to love about the Cafe CHS 900P 2MS1. The customizable hardware, unique look, and sleek touchscreen control panel would amplify any kitchen design. But beyond aesthetics, this range impressed more than any induction range tested. It boils water 13% faster than average, and it boasts incredible heat retention and even baking, especially when using true convection mode. Plus, its touchscreen interface makes it incredibly intuitive to start using right away, even for induction newbies. This range offers Wi-Fi compatibility with the brand's SmartHQ app, which means users can remotely control the oven and cooktop from their smartphone, access a library of recipes, and even participate in assisted cooking with compatible smart cookware. If it's within your budget, this is the best induction range tested. Absolute top-tier performance and features. The GE Profile 30-inch Smart Slide-In Induction and Convection range is the best value. The GE Profile PHS 700AYFS offers induction cooking technology at a lower cost than most induction ranges. This model packs features that you rarely see at this price point, including a griddle zone, which combines 2 burners for use with larger cookware like griddles or grills. Cleaning and maintenance are also simplified with GE Profile's Easy Wash oven tray, a removable and dishwasher-safe insert in the bottom of the oven that makes cleanup much easier. Altogether, this appliance delivers a powerful combination of smart tech, convenient features, and user-friendly design at a very attractive price. The Value Champion. The Frigidaire Gallery Series GCFI 307 0BF induction range is best for pizza lovers. The Frigidaire Gallery GCFI 307 0BF is a 30-inch induction range with a 5-element cooktop, including a bridge element ideal for griddle pans or larger cookware. The 6.2 cubic foot true convection oven supports over 15 cooking modes, including air fry, steam bake, steam roast, bread proof, dehydrate, and slow cook. Most notably, this Frigidaire range includes a stone-baked pizza mode that allows it to reach temperatures exceeding 750 degrees Fahrenheit, baking pizzas in as little as 2 minutes. This model also comes with a full pizza kit, stone, peel, and shield, that creates a brick oven-like environment for pizzeria-style pizzas. The power boil function brings serious speed to cooking, and the temp lock feature helps maintain consistent cooking temperatures with minimal effort. The capacitive touch panel is sleek but may occasionally be temperamental and take some getting used to for users accustomed to knobs. Overall, the GCFI 3070BF is a powerful, multifunctional range ideal for serious home cooks seeking speed, control, and cooking versatility. If you love pizza, this is your range. The Frigidaire slide-in induction range with convection oven is the most affordable. If you're new to induction cooking and looking for an affordable option, this slide-in induction range from Frigidaire is a great pick at under $2,000, or even under $1,000 on sale. Frigidaire electric ranges have performed well in testing over the years. Reviewers rave about how quickly it boils water and how easy the cooktop is to clean. No exposed element on the oven's bottom makes cleaning a breeze. They also appreciate the minimalist design. This 4-burner induction range is spacious, and 2 burners can be bridged to heat a griddle. Users say the controls are easy to access and use, but can be sensitive to accidental adjustments. They can be locked, but not when you are cooking. Perfect for induction beginners on a budget. The GE Profile PHS93XYPFS 5-burner slide-in induction range has the best smart features. With all the benefits of smart technology, quality cooking performance, and high-end aesthetics, this slide-in range is a no-brainer pick for induction cooking. During testing, I was impressed by its lightning-fast boiling speeds and wide range of temperatures, from searing highs to simmering lows. The oven also proved efficient after turning out a batch of evenly baked cookies on both standard and convection heat settings. And the added smart features are the icing on the cake. There are Smart HQ capabilities for remote controlling and a built-in camera in the oven to monitor food as it cooks. The air fry setting unfortunately left uneven results. But with some fine-tuning and added accessories, you could find a way to make that function work. Great for smart home enthusiasts. The Bosch 800 Series HII 8057 U30-inch slide-in induction range is safe and smart. For both safe and smart cooking capabilities, take a look at the Bosch 800 Series HII 8057. It has 11 different cooking modes, including convection, pizza, and proof. It also features 4 heating elements for your pots and pans, making it easy to whip up a full meal. This Bosch freestanding induction range also comes with Bosch's Safe Start feature, which only allows the range to heat up when cookware is placed on it properly. According to reviewers, the elements heat up super fast as well. As for the oven, it has a capacity of 4.6 cubic feet, a self-clean feature, and convection that allows for all-around, even cooking. You can watch your food cook through the large door, thanks to the bright oven light. And you can monitor the temperature of meat with Bosch's AutoProbe, perfect for safety-conscious cooks who want German engineering. All right, everyone, those are the best induction ranges of 2026. Whether you choose the Samsung Bespoke, the Cafe CHS 900P 2MS1, the Value GE Profile, the Frigidaire Options, the Smart GE Profile PHS 93XY PFS, or the Safe Bosch 800 Series, you're getting an amazing upgrade for your kitchen. Drop a comment. Do you use induction already? Or are you thinking about switching? If this helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe for more appliance buying guides. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.